Paprika is here to welcome you as well. And today I want to talk about 3 very important tools that you need to know about if you are a photographer or a creative, or if you work with visuals and digital medium. This is for you. You want to stick until the end because I'm just going to hand out my 3 favorite tools up until now to use in my photography workflow. This is where I want to present to you with Magnific AI, which is a upscaler that can upscale pretty much anything from maybe you're an illustrator or a painter, so that will work for you as well. And in the photography part, it has helped me a lot to upscale files that maybe they're sharp enough, but they're not big enough because my camera doesn't have the biggest sensor. So instead of like breaking the bank with the biggest sensor out there and the biggest camera out there, I can just pay the membership for Magnific AI, and that is how I use it. So for example, this is an AI generated image of me, but it's a screenshot. So let's see what it can do with my AI version. So you want to make sure to have precision selected, and then you want to go to upscale. And here you can select how much sharpen, how much grain you want to add to give it like more realism, and the ultra detail. So I'm just going to leave it like that and hit upscale. And it's like very simple to use. It does have some other features, but I just wanted to share you overall how you can use it with like your photography work. So for portraits, for old photos that were really small files, you can upscale those too. So it's pretty amazing. Paprika, I just realized she's here. And let's see how it did. So let's keep in mind that it was a very like not detailed photo. So as you can see, it did a really good job. It did change a little bit the colors, but my face and like features and everything is still there. The jacket, like, it's still pretty neat. And I mean, this is an AI generated image. So let's see this one. Wow. I mean, this is just insanely good. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Like, to be able to recover a little bit more of these, because I didn't keep the negative at that time. Like, I was just starting. It was literally my first roll of portraits ever. So I didn't keep the negatives, and I just have the physical print I did, so it's not big, and the scan wasn't good at all. So this is just insane. Like, even for archival materials, you can recover so much and won't change anything. So I can always add a little bit more of grain and a little bit more of sharpen if I want to. I like the grain because it gives it like it like takes out the digital part that you will have from the upscale, but it's a matter of like trial and error. It's not like a formula for everything. But so this is one of my secret tools right now that I just want to share with you. Tool number 2. So this is not so much a tool, but a software, and Capture One, it has been around for some time now, and I really like Capture One since the first time I used it. What's really cool about that is that it will allow you to select everything on an AI masking way, and you have AI masking tool and AI eraser tool, which is also really useful when you want to handpick, select something that you want to change the color or the exposure or anything like that. So that's really nice. And also, this is like the most recent update to make retouching in the face. So it will help you out with the blemishes, with texture, and you can even block parts of the face that you don't want to be retouched by the program. So that's another part that I really like that they have implemented. So Capture One, love it. And last but not least, Nano Banana.
Hello and welcome. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some groundbreaking news. The highly anticipated Nano Banana has officially arrived to Photoshop.
All over internet, I'm sure you have. If you haven't used it, at least you have heard the word Nano Banana, because it's like everywhere. It's on the top search everywhere. And recently, I mean like last week, Photoshop just implemented Nano Banana inside Photoshop Beta. This is really useful if you need to edit something with AI, like generative fill, and you want more detail or more precision, because Nano Banana is insanely good with that. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. So first of all, you want to go to the cloud of Adobe, and you're going to go to apps, and then you're going to go to beta. And in here, you want to download the Photoshop Beta. So I already have it downloaded. I'm just going to open it. You can use it in several ways. But for example, if I want to remove the coffee cup here and change it for, I don't know, a can or a bouquet in this case. So I will make my selection and then click Generative Fill. And here you want to select, instead of Firefly or Context, you want to go with Gemini, which is Nano Banana, although Flux Context is really good as well. So here I'm just going to say, change the coffee cup for a bouquet of flowers, and click Generate. So everything with AI generation, it's trial and error, so a lot of times you won't get the result at the first time, but sometimes yes. So let's see what happens. Oh, it's a tiny little flower bouquet. That's so cute. I'm gonna just take out everything, and I'm just going to select like the whole picture and see how it affects if I give a command, but with everything selected. Change, okay, so that is new. Okay, I think this worked much better because now we have the same, well, she looks a little bit different, but what we can do always is like just use the mask and like erase the parts we don't want change. But I mean, the skin, everything is changed, so maybe it's okay like this. And yeah, so that's pretty amazing. Like, she's there. I mean, she doesn't have the bag, but almost all the details are there. And she is at a botanical place now, a botanical garden with a bouquet in her hands. So you can use it in either or ways. It depends if you want to edit the whole image or just a little section. So if you are an interior designer, a photographer, fashion designer, I don't know, anything that has to do with the visual world, I think this tool will really help you out. And yeah, so those are the 3 tools I wanted to share with you, and I really hope you like this video and that they can help you out in some way. It certainly has helped me. So yeah, I will leave all of the information below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.